Welcome to Crystal Prosperous Wellbeing channel. Today I will be doing a preview to show you all the workout that I designed in order to get these bodies looking great and feeling great. And I'm going to go ahead and do the preview. We're going to do running in places. Just run in place. This is going to happen for 1 minute. The next thing we're going to do is arm pumps. I have a dumbbell here for the arm pumps. You can feel free to use 5 pounds, 3 pounds, 10 pounds. That's what I'm using today. And basically you just start from the bottom and bring it up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Up and down. And the next thing we'll do will be squats with the dumbbells. Have the dumbbells on your side and just squat. Make sure that your knees are not going above your feet. Just squat. We're going to do this for 2 minutes straight. And then the last thing we'll do is 2 minutes of step-ups. Find anything that's elevated, even if it's a chair, and just step up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Up and down. And that is it for the preview. Stay tuned. Part 2 will be the actual workout. It's 14 minutes long. Let's do this.